Fall on Broad and Wall with a triple-digit decline. This is Market Action News, and I'm Marshall Moore, September 22nd, 2014, and the first day of trading for the fall season, and down. Existing home sales, a surprise to the downside by 1.8% back in the summer, August, and the Dow Jones Industrials now at the closing bell down just over 107 points, and the NASDAQ taking it on the chin, down 1.1%, a loss of 52.10 there at 4527.69, and the small cap Russell 2000 down 1.5% on today's session. The S&P 500 falling below 2,000 and down 16.11. Its steepest drop since August 5th at 1994.29 at the close. Oil at the current time down 95 cents at $91.46. Gold settled up $1.30 at $1,217.90 for the yellow metal, and in aftermarket trading it has gone slightly lower, down about $1. And Alibaba, you know you've been waiting for it, and in its first full day of trading, down 4.25% below $90 a share. And that's your information, with the Dow Jones Industrials down 107 points, mark them at 17,172.69. Don't never, unless you will, remember those who do and those who don't do everything everybody else does. More later.